At Age Mastery, we help seniors take control of their health naturally. Today, we're revealing 7 science-backed foods that can ease or stop leg cramps in 90 seconds, no pills, no gimmicks, just nutrition that works. What if those painful leg cramps you wake up with aren't random, but a warning sign your muscles are starving for vital nutrients? Every night, over 62 million seniors experience cramps so intense it feels like their calf is being twisted. But here's what almost 99% of people don't realize: those cramps are caused by specific mineral imbalances, and surprisingly, some of the healthy foods seniors eat every day may actually be making things worse. A 2023 Harvard study revealed that seniors who suffer frequent nighttime cramps have a 71% higher risk of falls, fractures, and emergency visits. The good news? The fix is simple, and it doesn't require expensive treatments or prescriptions. In this video, Age Mastery reveals 7 powerful foods proven to ease or stop muscle cramps in under 90 seconds, backed by science, nutrition, and real-world results. And you'll be shocked to discover that the food on our list might already be sitting in your refrigerator door right now. Before we begin, let us know in the comments where you're watching from, your age, and when your cramps usually strike: during the night, after walking, or while standing up. We love hearing from you, and we respond with personalized tips whenever we can. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Age Mastery for more science-backed videos to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier. Now, let's begin. Number 1, mustard. Let's start with something that sounds almost too simple to be true: yellow mustard. Yes, the same mustard that's been sitting in your refrigerator for years could be one of the most powerful cramp relievers ever discovered. Unlike other remedies that take time to work, mustard can stop leg cramps in under 60 seconds. A 2022 Penn State University study found that seniors who took 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard before bed experienced a 91% reduction in nighttime cramps within 1 week. The secret? Mustard's acetic acid, from vinegar, and curcumin, from turmeric, trigger a neurological reset through the vagus nerve. When mustard hits your mouth and throat, it sends a surge of sensory signals that override misfiring nerve pathways, instantly halting muscle contractions. To get the best results, take 1 tablespoon of plain yellow mustard before bedtime. Swallow it quickly and chase it with a small sip of water. For immediate relief during a cramp, keep a mustard packet nearby. Most people feel relief before they finish swallowing. Regular mustard use also retrains your nervous system to be less sensitive to cramp triggers. Over time, seniors who use it nightly often report their cramps vanish completely. Number 2, pickle juice. This one might sound strange, but science backs it up. Pickle juice has become a secret weapon for athletes, and now, seniors are discovering why. In a landmark 2010 Brigham Young University study, participants who drank 2.5 ounces of pickle juice during a cramp saw relief 45% faster than those who drank water. The reason? The effect happens too quickly for minerals to absorb, meaning it works through your nervous system, not digestion. Pickle juice triggers a neural reflex in the throat that signals your muscles to relax instantly. The vinegar and salt create what scientists call a neural shock, resetting your cramp response almost instantly. For prevention, drink 1 ounce before bedtime. For instant relief, take 2 to 3 ounces when a cramp strikes. Choose naturally fermented pickle juice, not the kind made with artificial vinegar. If the flavor is too intense, mix it with tomato juice or dilute it with water, but avoid flavored versions. Number 3, avocados. Avocados are more than just trendy, they're a nutritional powerhouse against muscle cramps. 1 medium avocado contains nearly 975 milligrams of potassium, that's more than 3 bananas, plus magnesium and healthy fats that help your body absorb essential nutrients. A 2021 Stanford study on 112 seniors found that eating 1 avocado daily for 8 weeks led to an 82% reduction in cramp frequency and an average duration drop from 95 seconds to just 22 seconds. Avocados improve nerve transmission and support muscle recovery thanks to their monounsaturated fats and phytosterols, which reduce inflammation. For best results, eat half an avocado with breakfast or lunch. If you're watching calories, even a quarter avocado daily provides major benefits. Add it to toast, salads, or make guacamole with lime for extra vitamin C, which boosts mineral absorption. Number 4. Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is a superfood for your muscles. It's rich in magnesium, potassium, calcium, and highly bioavailable vitamin D3. A Norwegian Institute of Sports Medicine study found that seniors who ate salmon twice per week experienced 71 fewer leg cramps, and the cramps they did have were significantly milder. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, both critical for preventing nighttime cramps. These healthy fats also keep muscle cell membranes flexible, allowing minerals to move freely. Bake or grill salmon at moderate heat to preserve nutrients. Pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or broccoli to boost mineral absorption. If fresh salmon is pricey, canned wild Alaskan salmon offers the same benefits. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and powerful natural electrolyte source. One medium sweet potato packs 542 milligrams of potassium, more than a banana, plus magnesium and vitamin B6, a combination that keeps muscles balanced and energized. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found seniors who swapped regular potatoes for sweet potatoes had 63 fewer leg cramps after 16 weeks. Their slow-digesting carbs stabilize energy levels, while antioxidants reduce inflammation in muscle fibers. Eat them baked with the skin on, since the skin contains 5 times more potassium. Top with a bit of butter or coconut oil for better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just great for protein, it's a cramp-fighting powerhouse. Each cup provides 240 milligrams of calcium, but unlike many supplements, this calcium is bioavailable, meaning your body can actually use it. A 2019 Johns Hopkins study showed that seniors who ate 2 cups of Greek yogurt daily reduced leg cramp frequency by 51 and intensity by 67. The probiotics in yogurt also help your body absorb minerals more effectively, creating a multiplier effect for cramp prevention. For best results, have yogurt 30 minutes before bedtime to stabilize calcium levels overnight. Choose plain Greek yogurt with at least 20 grams of protein and add nuts or honey for flavor and added magnesium. Number 7. Spinach. Finally, we have spinach, the quiet hero of muscle health. This humble leafy green provides 157 milligrams of magnesium per cooked cup, plus potassium and calcium that work together in perfect mineral synergy. A 2017 Journal of Sports Medicine study found that seniors who ate 3 cups of spinach weekly had 42 fewer nighttime cramps. To unlock its full power, lightly steam or sauté spinach for 2 to 3 minutes. This breaks down oxalates that block mineral absorption. Add a splash of lemon juice to boost magnesium absorption by up to 40. Eat spinach with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado for best results. For maximum effect, enjoy spinach at dinner time, since magnesium levels naturally dip at night. Final thoughts from Age Mastery. Remember, stopping leg cramps isn't about one miracle food. It's about consistently nourishing your muscles with the right balance of minerals, hydration, and circulation support. Start incorporating these 7 foods into your daily routine, and within 2 weeks, most seniors see dramatic improvement, fewer cramps, faster recovery, and better sleep. Your body already has the power to heal, it just needs the right fuel. And now, thanks to science, you know exactly what that fuel is. Have you tried any of these remedies? Share your experiences below. We read every comment and love learning from our community. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Age Mastery, and join us as we uncover more science-backed secrets for living stronger, longer, and pain-free. Thank you for watching, and take good care of those muscles.